Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manuela, and in today's video, I will be showing you how to do this cute behind hairstyle that is perfect for spring and summer. And this hair was actually sent to me by a brand called For Every Hair. They are on Amazon. I will have the link to this hair down in the description box. This hair comes in three different lengths. It comes in a 10-inch, an 8-inch, and also a 12-inch. I currently have the 10-inch in my hair, but what I did was I pulled them apart to make individual twists. But if you install it just as how it comes, then your hair will look a little bit more shorter than how mine's turned out, because I pulled them apart, and also, when you twist the hair, it'll stretch. And so they actually come in so many different colors. They have 1B, they have 30, they have number 4, and they also have 1B350 as well. They have quite a good few options of colors. If you want to check it out, again, I will have the link in my description box. But girl, enough talk about this hair. Let me show y'all how I got this cute style. So let's get right into it. So my hair is already in twists, which actually makes it a whole lot easier for me to part my hair. And so what I'm just going to do is just untwist my hair and clean the parts row by row. And I'm using this twisting cream by Cream of Nature, this braiding gel by Shine Jello, and then the Organics Olive Oil Leave-In Conditioner. I'm putting in the leave-in conditioner just to dampen up my hair, since this is more of a wet product, and I honestly just did not feel like spraying water in my hair, because I'm going to be putting gel in it. And so I'm just putting that leave-in conditioner all over, and as you can see, I'm just untwisting my hair from the first row and just cleaning up my parts. And this is just a tip. If you struggle with having clean parts or just parting in general, it really helps to put gel alongside where you've parted your hair, and that would actually help you get even more cleaner and sleeker parts. So I'm just adding some oil to my ends, so that way it can just seal in moisture and that it doesn't be dry by the time that I take this hairstyle down. And I'm just adding in the twisting cream, so that way my hair can blend in a whole lot more better with the crochet hair. And this is how I pretty much split the crochet hair. As you can see, this hair is almost tangle free. Like, I did not experience much tangling when I had to split the hair. And this is the gel that I'm using, and this is pretty much how I get rid of the frizz when I pull the hair or when I have to split the hair apart. You could either use this gel or Eco Styling Gel or any other curling gel. And the way that I installed this hair is I use the knotless method. I use the knotless method with almost every hairstyle that I do, and pretty much you just start the braid just one time, and then you put in the crochet hair doing the C-hook method, and you just begin with the braid. And once you've reached about halfway with your natural hair, there's gonna be a hair strand that does not have crochet hair attached to it, and so that's the strand that you take and you join it together with either one of the strands that do have a crochet hair, and then you begin twisting. I know that might sound just a little bit complicated, but in the next couple of clips you will be able to see a clear visual of what I'm talking about. And then towards the end, I like to just twist the ends and just have that curl pop as you can see, y'all need to get this hair. I will have it linked in my description box below. Honestly, this hair is way better than any crochet hair that I have used from my local beauty supply store. So again, I split my hair in 3 and then I begin the braid only once, and then I add in the hair. And once you add in the hair, you begin braiding, and once you get about halfway, the hair strand that does not have a crochet hair attached to it, you join it together with any one of the strands and begin twisting. So for the next couple of clips, I'm just gonna let the music ride out and just grab a snack, girl, and enjoy the video. In about 2 or 3 other clips, you will see a more clear and up close visual of how I install this hair. And at the end of the video, I will give you guys some style inspo of how you can style this hair. And this is what the hair is looking like so far, y'all. This is so cute and so perfect for spring. I could just picture this hairstyle with just one of those pretty flowy spring dresses that's floral, and you have the cute bag, the cute purse. Girl, it is just, this hairstyle is just way too cute. Again, y'all, this hair will be linked in my description box below. Go on ahead and buy this hair. This hair, like I said, is so much better than what's out there in the beauty supply stores. You will not regret it, trust me. So now I'm using the Lotta Body mousse and just putting that all over my hair. This is like my favorite process after you get your hair done and you just feel the cooling of that mousse hit your scalp. I don't know, for me it just feels so good. And this is how the hair turned out. Here's some styling inspo, how you can style the hair. I hope you guys really liked and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram at knowingmanuela. I'll also have that in the description box. Peace.